not be able to get around there. And to pull forward and to open a chute.
What's that, sir?
Would you get him to pull forward and open his chute?
That's fine.
If you can get through, okay.
Yeah, you don't need to go through. What are we doing?
We're gonna add some more water.
Perfect.
You liking that thing?
Perfect. Whatever you want. You want to throw some water in there, that's fine. I mean, works for a line pump. We used to run a boat pump a while back. Works for a line pump. Oh yeah. Get up and come.
All the nitty gritty details, eh?
All the nitty, all the gritty, yeah.
For all the new operators, that
all the new operators, yeah.
I usually like to use this stuff for my facial.
I like to make sure that I have a full bucket, so when I spill a third of it, it's okay.
I got a ratchet for that. Well, that's good there, Jody.
There it is. Because we like Jody.
Yeah. Well, we got best operator. One of the best operators.
In there where that's fine. That's all good and buried, man.
I like to feel the air coming
Ideally, you don't put it in the bar.
Yeah.
Ideally. I mean, depends on your mood, I guess.
I do clean bar once in a while. It's not my favorite, actually. Okay, pump on. Meters in here, eh? Wow,
I don't think it is 50. That's the rumor. I heard 50, but I don't think it's 50. It's maybe 40. Maybe at the outside. Yeah.
You got the same quarters.
Yeah. I thought this was 8 stuff for a while, right?
It's too big. Union stuff is 2 feet.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Stuff is
prime slow, you don't always know it's on, right?
I don't try not prime slow.
You do whatever you want. Whatever works for you. I prime sometimes and, you know.
I'm at 3.
That's fine. I prime sometimes, it takes 20 seconds. Not even.
Right?
Knock
on wood, but I've never had a jammer yet. But I do like to feel if it's coming or not.
It's coming. It's got the wiggle. That'll be the wind. You get like 0 performance out of anything. Right? Okay, pop off.
Jumpy, I don't know
Well, it's going to be jumpy as fuck right there, too, right? He wants the hose on his knee height. There you go. Yeah, when she's in close like that, it's going to be super jumpy. So they're in close, right? Yeah.
off?
I'll go tell him. I'll go tell him 5.5.
5.5, yeah. Getting under the hose when you got the remote right around your waist.
Remote.
I know,
Oh.
right? It was
That's what
great.
it says on the screen.
It was
weird.
It was great about 10 minutes ago.
Maybe we need some Alliance anti-stick on the remote.
Did they have? Would it work on the remote?
I bet it would. Nice thin, right? But
It needs
eventually,
something.
everything would probably stick to it.
What do you
You know
think?
what also works?
Compressed air? Do you think that would work?
To blow it off. It does, yeah.
Yeah, that'd be a
Totally
good.
right. Yeah.
You know how much the truck sinks when the concrete gets to the end of the truck?
Better.
Little wetter, eh?
Better, yeah. Letter's better.
Not always.
If you're cold, wear a sweater.
Come on, a little wetter, eh?
They're dry.
A little more, eh?
Fast too dry.
What's that? Too
Too
dry.
dry, just 2 minutes after that we add more water.
Hey, Jinder, put some more water in first. Give it a little hit. Spin it fast. Last lap. Yep. All I can say, friend, today you're getting your laps in. It's a blustery day. Oh! Oh! That's it. Give it a little hit. Fuck yeah. That was awesome.
in front of the truck right there.
Well, boom, running a boom is just video games with consequences. No, what do they call that? No mulligans. Well, and you enjoyed some life.
I told
Right.
no one I had a degree. I said, you guys hiring carpenters?
Right? Still smiling. Still smiling. Good. Yeah. So a small critique.
Yeah.
Just be perfect. Yes. No. Yes. Lead. Don't follow. And we'll,
You want me to put it on his shoulder, right?
no. Lead him around more. Oh. Don't let him lead you. Sounds
I
weird.
thought you said you wanted it on his shoulder.
No. Lead. Right? Huh?
No judgment, buddy.
No judgment. No judgment. No, he's not swinging anymore though.